Anybody remember those old TI-83 calculators we used to have back in the day? I was wanting to see if I could find mine, because I was going to see if there was it'll do calculus and trigonometry and algebra. I was wondering if they had like a New York City math, like, setting on there, where you could do New York City math. Um, I say that because I saw today, well, a little while ago, maybe last week, New York City had that, what was that, city run grocery store? It was like, everything's 30% less than retail, which is kind of weird how they got there. I don't know how they got there, because grocery stores have like a sub 5% margin, usually like 1 to 3. So I don't know how you take a sub 5% margin and then you take that down 30%. Spoiler alert, it's funded by the taxpayers, so not really saving any money. It's costing people money that way. Kind of the same as the same math problem that they had. They were, I don't know how many billions, was it like 12 billion, $15 billion deficit? And then they came out like a few days later and said they solved it. They balanced the budget with a loan from New York State. So that's kind of like saying I paid my house off, because I took a HELOC out on it, and then I used the HELOC to then pay my mortgage off. So I paid my house off. Yeah, not how that works. I'm not a financial expert. I was like a C student in math, even with a calculator. So the other interesting thing I saw, they came out today, which is very rich. It's not math related, but it's kind of common sense related. Someone asked how they're going to make sure that the stores don't get abused. Like, people that don't live in New York City aren't using them, or people aren't going in there and buying the stuff and reselling it. So they had this poor lady came out, and she was trying to think of other words to say other than we're going to require a photo ID. I think she said it would be like a library card-esque type of a situation, is what she said. So like a photo ID, which is really cool that they're going to require a photo ID to get taxpayer-funded cheap groceries, but not to like vote in an election, and also at the same time be a sanctuary city to people that aren't citizens of the country.